Hello, I'm Bess McCarty in Victoria, Kansas. I'm a body-mind therapist and coach for business and life. I want to speak today to people who want to make money from home. People have been calling me. They ask, how can I make an income from home? I tell them the best way I know is network marketing. Network marketing is where you sell a product or service, and you can also train other people to do that too. It's your own business. It's a highly endorsed business by Tony Robbins, Richard Branson, Robert Kiyosaki, and many more highly respected advisors. There are 4 reasons I think this is the best option for people, especially now. First, there's a very low startup cost for this business. Usually it's only a few $100s compared to $60,000 for the average business startup. Second, your customers can order product or service online. Third, many of them will also be looking to make an income from home. When you help them do that, it gives you an ongoing residual income. And fourth, people have the time to start and grow a business now. Maybe you're a network marketer who always intended to grow your business, but you were too busy. You have a perfect chance to do so now. Or maybe you're a person who uses network marketing products, and for the first time you're considering making some money by sharing them. Or maybe you don't know about network marketing. Or maybe you've heard negative things about it. Although there are unethical people in any business, network marketing itself is a very good and respectable profession. Maybe it's time to learn more about it. Maybe it can help you, especially at this time. I'm not in a network marketing company myself. I used to be full-time, but now I'm an educator. I run a generic school for network marketers. We teach people the best, simplest, easiest way I've ever seen to grow their business fastest. The school is called the MLM Millionaire Academy. We hold excellent weekly online classes that include Q&A and are recorded. People are very successful with our methods for over 10 years now. I have a free class to help you get started fast. It contains a script that's easy, simple, always gets a yes, doesn't get objections, and duplicates perfectly for your team. If you're not in a network marketing company, I'll include my best tips for finding a good one. If you can't afford the startup money for your new business, I'll include instructions on how to get that. Then I'll give information about how our school can help you to keep your business growing. Don't worry, the tuition is very affordable. All of this will be sent to you free when you request it at the link below. It costs you nothing to learn this. Remember, there's a solution to every problem. It's always within reach. You don't have to do it alone. I've helped many people make money from home, and I can help you. Whether you're a network marketer who would like to go faster, or whether you're wondering about network marketing, I hope you go ahead and check out this for free at the link below. This can be your turning point.